The online campaign that saved a family business. The story of Big Gay Ice Cream. Ever wonder how a small business can go from struggling to thriving overnight? In 2018, Big Gay Ice Cream, a quirky ice cream shop in New York City known for its wild flavors and playful branding, was facing severe financial difficulties. After nearly a decade of serving smiles, co-founders Doug Quint and Brian Petroff saw their business struggling to survive in the competitive food scene. Instead of quietly shutting down, they turned to their loyal fans on social media. Doug and Brian launched a heartfelt online campaign, sharing their story, struggles, and passion for keeping their dream alive. They encouraged their followers to visit the shop, buy gift cards, and spread the word. The response was extraordinary. The community rallied, posts went viral, and sales surged as people from all over came together to support them. This inspiring comeback story proves that being transparent and connecting with your audience can breathe new life into your business. Don't be afraid to share your journey. Your next big win could be just one post away. Follow me for more uplifting business stories and tips to help you turn challenges into success.